Dumpster rental service in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Looking for a dependable dumpster rental service in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania? Scotchwood Disposal Services Inc. is here to provide the perfect solution for your waste removal needs. Whether you're remodeling your home, cleaning out a garage, or working on a construction project, we have a dumpster size that fits your requirements. We take pride in offering prompt, professional service to make your project easier and more efficient. Our dumpster rental service in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, is designed with your convenience in mind. We offer flexible rental periods, so you can rent a dumpster for as long as you need without pressure. Our team at Scotchwood Disposal Services Inc. is committed to providing top-notch customer service, and we make sure to handle all the details, from drop-off to pickup. We believe in offering the most cost-effective solutions for our clients while ensuring your waste disposal needs are taken care of. Call us at 833-737-3867 to book your dumpster rental service in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Our team is ready to assist with fast, reliable service every step of the way. Scotchwood Disposal Services Inc., serving Bethlehem with top-rated dumpster rentals.